and today I wanted to talk a bit about my new bike for 2022 and the foreseeable future, because I don't plan on getting a new one anytime soon because it's sick. So I'm now going to show you what the bike is. It is a Banshee Prime. It has Lyric Ultimate forks. It has the stock Fox TPX shock. As I said, it's a Banshee frame, Banshee Prime. I've had it in Visi framed in a gloss colour, so nice and shiny. I've got the fabric seat. What else have we got? We've got an SLX cassette with a Dior drivetrain. I've got my favourite HD pedals. A funny story, I got my first mountain bike and those came on it, and then I was devastated when I broke them, so I bought more of them. So I've only ever ridden those pedals. I have, new for me anyway, TRP brakes. I got these second hand, so there's like 2 scratches on them, but you can barely see it, but yeah. Otherwise, brand new, and I'm really excited to try them out. I've got the fat bars off my old bike, I've got the Bergtech grips off my old bike, I've got a new DMR stem in chrome as well. What else have we got? We've got, oh yeah, get some close-ups of it. We have Newmen A30 SL rims. Huh? Okay, right, so everyone's calling it a dentist bike, but I feel like it's too burly of a bike to be on.
No, dentist bike is in it's everything you can possibly want, because you've got loads of money.
Yeah, but it's not carbon. I don't think it's a dentist bike. It's not carbon, it's not titanium, it's nothing fancy. It is raw aluminum from Banshee. I've wanted one for a long time. I saw Billy Hoy's riding a Rune, and to be honest, for the trails we have here, I know we didn't need that much travel, so I was like, right. I never tried 29er. So we have 135mm of travel in the rear, which is enough for me. I had 140 on my old one, but it wasn't a 29er, and it was a whole lot smaller and more kind of nimble of a bike. So I think this one, well, just riding it now, a couple runs, this feels so much better, and I've almost bottomed it out, so I think I might have set the sag actually correct this time. We'll see in a second. I have 160mm forks. Now you might think that's absolutely absurd, but I spoke to Banshee and they said that is absolutely reasonable for the bike. I was going to go 150, but then I thought, no, I want 160. I have a 170mm dropper, which is massive, but I'm 6'1", so it's absolutely fine for me. That's about perfect, honestly. I wasn't sure if it'd be too tall, but it's absolutely perfect. So yeah, as I said, I've got Newmen A30 SL alloy rims. I've got Rowdy hand-stamp front and rear tyres, which are perfect for UK weather, I think. I know people have got magic mirror in the front, but I've just ridden this now and it felt absolutely fine. I have a bit of an unusual hub. It's a Shimano hub. I don't know the exact model name of it because it's XTR internals in like kind of unmarked body almost. It's got Shimano written on it, but aside from that, it really doesn't say anything else. But it's essentially XTR internals with silence technology, so it goes silent at speed, and then you can hear it again when it's going quiet. 175mm cranks. I think it's a 32 tooth chainring. Oh, I've already gone really in detail.
Keep going then.
Okay, we'll keep going. I've got a 50-to-1 mudguard. We have the shop's own brand spacers, whatever those are. We've got the Banshee top cap, obviously. It's quite a slack head angle. It came 65.5, I think, with 150mm fork. I've gone 160, so I think it should be 65. It's got quite long chain stays. It's got, actually, I'm not reading this out, I'm genuinely just trying to record this off the top of my head. I think these are 450mm chain stays. It's a size large.
It's 455.
455.
Yeah.
455 chain stays. You think it's gonna be something. I sat on it this morning, I was like, was nothing like what I thought I was going to sit.
You've never had a problem with feeling like you're stood upright, have you?
Hello.
You've always seemed to like that position.
Yeah, I like that position.
See, I like going over.
I've been described as Rob Warner on a bike because my legs and my spine are like my legs and my upper body are in a line.
Yeah.
It's like I'm riding like that. Yeah. The iron and board. All right.
Right, you go first?
No, you go first. We've got to get someone in view.
All right.
Obviously, my riding's not up to par.
Okay.
We've got Dougal in the mix. Stupid dog, got right in the way. Dog was like right on your back wheel the whole time. And I was behind you, so it was like a sandwich. We are doing a quick follow into table because I haven't hit it today. Oh, the front end is so high. I felt like when I pumped, it was all fork.
My wheel down the firm.
Oh yeah. I tried to follow your line in, and I wasn't prepared for the hop, so I just motored like right through the wheel tail. Yeah. Prime.
My pedals literally look exactly the same.
It's just because they're black composite pedals.
Yeah, they got
Every black pedal looks the exact same.
Yours are more.
We are going off to see Sam Basket. Check out his YouTube channel. Another local rider, great guy, helping out the local scene, you know, doing sick things up here. Yeah, we'll resume this in a second when we get around to the next bit of trail. I'm just going to be dragging my brakes all the time, so they might warm up. Genuinely, there's so much modulation. I'm not even like, I have to drag them to go at the same speed as you.
I mean, I bled them, so they were like as on off like I could possibly get them. So
Really?
Probably didn't help you because now there's like
No play.
there's no. I bled them, so there's no modulation. So all the modulation is coming from brake rub.
First time riding, pump it up. Oh, he's fast. Oh. Oh my days.
I landed back in the fucking hole.
My God, watch out. Go behind James.
So it's Gareth.
How are we getting rid of Dougal?
I don't know.
Just outpace him.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be fine.
Let go of your brake. Right, you ready?
Yeah. When you're ready, mate.
I can't quite actually go.
Go.
Go on, Dougal, come on. So we're coming up here. It'll pop out. Along. Into camel. Almost hit the tree. We're good though. Drop down a few gears. You're not technically meant to connect those, but you can. Right, into here. Around. Step down. Alright. We are going. Oh, this isn't the line. Okay, quickly. Alright. You can connect those if you get the right line. Alright, we're going down to the next trail. This one's always wet during the winter. Go on, James. Oh, I'm exhausted. Alright, I'm just... Oh, we'll stop it there. We'll stop it there. Oh, hold on, I need to sit down. So I've allowed James to test ride my bike just to see what his reaction is. Yeah, go on, mate. I think he likes it. You in love? He says yes. He says yes.
But with the speed, yes.
Yes, you want a Banshee now. You're a Banshee boy.
It's very fast.
It is, isn't it?
But it's not because it's a Banshee. It's because
It is good Banshee. It's all the frame.
Is it?
The frame is doing 90% of the work.
Right, that's it. It's nothing to do with there being no resistance at all. Nothing to do with that.
What, from the hub?
Yeah, nothing to do with that.
Oh, no. That's just...
All the perfectly aligned brakes, all the fact it's heavy as fuck.
Yeah, I'm very happy with this bike. I'll probably end up taking this bottle cage off because it seems like...
It fits you well.
Yeah.
It's just...
It's just what?
It's just different, isn't it?
What are you saying?
It's just different.
Is that the...
Because I'm used to...
You're going to give like more of a... If someone was to buy this
fine.
bike, what would you tell them?
My experience, I'm coming from a small 29er with a stupidly loud hub with a lot of drag and super powerful brakes and things. It feels the same size as my old bike, so that's good for you anyway because you're small. But it's too fast for me.
It's too fast
because I do jumps where I hit them slow, then jump and pull up.
Yeah.
Whereas you don't, do you? You just need the speed of the bike to get over it.
I just needed speed in the pump, and I basically just saw
Whereas
like
for the style I ride, the component choices make it too quick. It's too. I'm touching the brakes too much.
Yeah.
See what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean. And they're powerful brakes as well. It's not like you can just drag them and you'll be alright. Like, you literally you lose half your speed every time you touch them, which is quite a good thing because you want to be half the speed.
Yeah, but
you actually
watching you do say this one,
yeah,
step up behind you.
Yeah.
You're just hitting it with the speed the bike gives you.
Yeah.
Because you can hear I'm braking then hopping.
Yeah.
So it's two different.
It's quite funny. I rode that, and I rode it with a little bit of brake on the trail in that POV, and I still landed front wheel into that tree.
Yeah.
Like my front wheel was like on the border, the mud border.
Yeah.
So.
Exactly. So
yeah.
what I say is, for your style of riding,
very, very, very good.
very, very good.
Okay, so after a day of riding this bike, I am very happy I chose it. The one thing which I've had to change so far has been the stem spacer there. It's now 5mm instead of 10, and I've got this massive knob on top of spacers. So I think the idea is to just lop that off.
Hammer the start nut down.
Yeah, and then the other thing is, throughout the whole day, I haven't been able to get over like here on the fork. James thinks I should just take air out of it, but I'm quite happy with how it feels.
But you're not, because you haven't used it.
Yeah, I'm just not managing to get up here yet, which kind of sucks. So I think I'm going to take air out, but add a
I wouldn't put anything in.
I'm gonna put a spacer in, a volume spacer.
I wouldn't, but why not? Go for it.
Just because I don't like the idea of having like a super saggy,
But it's not
soft
change it,
fork.
you're going to go, because the space only fit that hard.
So I'll try running less air pressure next ride.
Yeah.
And then the ride after that, if I don't like it, I'm putting a spacer in, and then...
Because you'll take air out, which makes it easy to bottom out. Then put some back against the
Anyway,
you'll balance it out.
ignore him in the background. So... yeah, we're going to film the rest of the outro. So I swapped the grips to Bergtech grips because I have big hands and I need big grips, and I realised that. Everything else on it is spot on. This has come a little bit loose. You can see it there. That's loose. So tighten that up, and we basically have a beautiful, fully functional working bike, which is awesome. So that has been my review of this Banshee Prime, an update on it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and yeah, keep watching our videos because we've got more content coming soon about James's bike. That's his dad's bike. He's got a new one on the way, so that's exciting. So yeah, more bike stuff coming. See ya.